YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel, Be My Own Life. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Today we got something special today, baby. Today we got a Taco Bell copycat Mexican pizza, y'all. And just in case they try to be slick and take it off the menu, I'm going to show y'all how to make it with a little bit of extra pizzazz on it, you know what I mean? So, yeah, let's get into the ingredients. We have olive oil, to fry the tortillas. We got our hot sauce. We got some taco seasoning. We got enchilada sauce. We got that hot rotel, baby, because I like it spicy. We got that refried beans. You know what I'm saying? Texas style refried beans. We got that Mexican blended cheese. We got some cilantro and green onion, thanks to my sister. She got some fresh herbs growing in her house. I just picked them. And we got some flour tortillas, baby. Yes. Oh, yeah. And we got that 80-20 ground chuck. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to drain that out real good because it could be a little fatty. But, yeah, let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, let's get started on this easy recipe. Taco Bell, baby. Copycat Mexican pizza, okay? We're going to take that 80-20 ground chuck and toss it up in that pan right there. Bloop. Yes. And we're going to smash it down. I feel like I don't want to break it up at this point because it's easier to flip when you have it kind of sort of connected together still. So you see me kind of pressing it down a little bit. I don't want to break it up too much at this point because it's going to make it easy to flip it on over, baby. All right. So, yeah, I'm just pressing it down so the side can cook evenly. So you want to do it just like how you would a pancake. You see it cooking all the way through at that bottom half of the pancake. You want to go ahead and flip it over. Although this is not a pancake, this is beef. So yeah, treat it as so. And once you see that pink red starting to rise to the top, go ahead and flip these pieces over. And you want to try to get every side. Don't nobody want no raw meat, okay? So at this point, since the meat is majority cooked all the way through, we're going to go ahead and drain some of that fat that you guys seen in that pan at the bottom. So I'm just going to drain it real quick. Look at all that oil and grease. Yes, go ahead and drain it really good because we don't want our arteries to be clogged. I know I don't. I'm trying to live, okay? So, yeah, give it a quick toss. Toss it up, toss it up. Okay, let that juice and not juice, let that grease come through, and then we gonna dump it back into the pan like so. And we're going to toss it back onto this stove. And we're going to still continue to mash these big pieces up. And if y'all have a better way of doing this, please let me know in the comments because it's very time consuming. But yeah, let's go ahead and add this taco seasoning. And I know the pieces look kind of big still, but it's not as big as it is in person, probably on the screen. But yeah, we're going to add our taco seasoning. Yes, and I use a lot of this because it's low sodium and it's packed full of flavor. It has cumin and paprika in it as the base seasoning. So that's two of my favorites. So yeah, let's go ahead and toss this together. Let all the flavor combine inside that meat. And there was a reason why I didn't do it initially because I wanted that seasoning to stick and not be in that grease. So let's go ahead and dump this out. We got our meat completed, baby. Oh, it's about to be time to dress this thing. But first we got to do the star of the show, which is the tortillas. Yes, I love, love, love the shell of a Mexican pizza. So we're going to go ahead and add our olive oil. We're going to add a good amount of olive oil because we want it to kind of deep fry and float, so to speak. So you see me adding this full thing of olive oil. It's 16 ounces of this olive oil. I didn't add quite the whole bottle. I feel like it was enough right there. And so my oil has heated up, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that tortilla drop in there ever so lightly. Y'all see those bubbles? Y'all see it's going. Okay. The tortilla is going, baby. Yes. So let's let that fry for a little bit. And we don't want to do it too long. So we want to, just let it cook for maybe like 1 minute on each side. You see it's making sort of a bubble. We want to try to avoid those bubbles inside the tortilla. Just because you want it to be kind of flat when you put those that dressing on there, like the meat, the beans, and all of that. So yeah, you see me fighting this bubble. Get out, get out. Get up out of there. Okay, so yeah, let it cook a little bit more on that backside, and we're gonna flip it over like so. And y'all see, it cooks relatively fast. It doesn't take long at all. And y'all see I got my drying rack on the side because we don't want our Mexican pizza tortilla to be saturated in oil. So I'm letting it drain, and I'm gonna toss it over to the side, baby. Look at that, it's so golden and brown. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So yes, definitely watch after it because they will burn. They cook really, really fast. So here's that first one. Let me give y'all a little sneak peek. So yeah, definitely let it crisp up because that's what's gonna make it nice and flaky. Okay, love it. So we are gonna go ahead and remove this other tortilla as well. There's both of my shells. One got a little bit more crispier than the other, but it's gonna be so good, y'all. Look at the back of it. Yes, it's finna go down, y'all. So let me take it over here and dress it. Now, this is the fun part, putting it together, baby. All those flavors. It's going to be so good. It's going to be 10 times better than Taco Bell, okay? I promise you. Follow this easy, simple recipe, and you can't go wrong. And I promise you, I only spent $10 on all of this. $10. I kid you not. And I'm going to be able to make at least 3 or 4 Mexican pizzas out of it. So yes, definitely try this and make it for your family. Easy Taco Bell recipe for $10. Okay, so I added my ground meat, I added my refried beans, I put my cilantro and my green onion because I like to amplify the original recipe. Okay, they don't do all this at Taco Bell, but baby, we at home, we do it how we want to do it. Okay, home chefs. All right. We put some pizzazz in our life. So take that enchilada sauce and drizzle it because we don't want no dry Mexican pizza. And we're going to take a little bit of that Rotel, that hot Rotel, baby. Yes, and we're going to sprinkle that as well. And we're going to put that nice, I wanted to put the more browner side on top. And we're gonna put it all together, baby. We're going to take some more of that enchilada sauce. And the reason why I put the enchilada sauce on top as well is because I want that cheese to stick to it. I don't want that cheese to be falling all off. So, yeah, Mexican blend. We're going to add that to the mix and sprinkle it on top. Now, y'all know I like some cheese, baby. Okay, we got to cheese it up. All right. I'm going a little crazy with the cheese like I always do, but you can scale back and adjust to how you like it. And why not? Add it to the middle, baby. Okay? Add that to the middle like that. Bam, baby. Yeah, so, let me add just a little bit more cheese. Yes, okay? I love it. And we're going to go ahead and sprinkle that Rotel on top because that's how they do it at Taco Bell. They add a little bit more tomato on top, and I like using Rotel better than fresh tomato when it comes to my Mexican pizza. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven and take it out. within maybe 5 minutes. And I put it on a high broil so that cheese can melt on top. And there you have it, guys. Mexican pizza. Taco Bell Mexican pizza at the house. And y'all see I got the Taco Bell hot sauce on the side. Okay, I don't play no games, y'all. Y'all know how I do it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and have a bite of this Mexican pizza copycat Taco Bell, baby. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Y'all know it's flaky. Look at those flakes right there. Oh, yeah. Copycat Taco Bell. Let's have a bite, y'all. Man, y'all, this is legit, y'all. This is legit, y'all, man. Like, comment, and subscribe for some more banging recipes, baby. Be my own life. I love y'all. Peace.